Hello everyone, this is Stephen Casey Ralphian here, and this is going to be a little bit of an update on some new purchases I recently made. And as you can see, I have some new rolling freight cars here, because this is also going to be a bit of an update for a unit train that I'm currently working on, which almost done, I think. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, as you can see, some new rolling stock I have 5 of them are Walters mainline, and 1 is an Atlas Trainman. So let's get on with it. So the new freight car I have is right here. This is a BNSF hopper I have. It's the 60-foot NSC 5150 3-bay covered hopper. It's actually one of the cars I usually see on the BNSF grain trains. It's really nice. I think the paint job is really nicely crisp. It's really cool. And it was actually a pretty cheap car too. It was like $24.99. That's usually the cost for some of the Walters mainline freight cars. So this is actually really nice. So I have 3 of them here. I'll show you. I have 1 here. Here's my second one. And here's my third one. It's really nice. So it'd be perfect to add some more modern, newer hoppers to the layout. So I got 3 of them here, because I was able to find like those in stock and because I know these cars in the BNSF scheme sell out really fast. So, but I was actually real lucky I managed to get my hands on these, and I'm glad this is actually a newer kind of freight car to add to the layout. And so yeah, I'm actually really impressed to get these. So without further ado, so now let's move on to something else that I have. So let's move on to the Atlas Trainman car. So the new car is this right here. It's a Burlington Northern covered hopper. It's a Throm 4750 hopper, or basically known as the Pullman Standard. So I got it right here. It looks really nice. I just love the scheme with the BN logo on the side and the letters here. It's really crisp. And I believe this is actually part of their recent run of them, like the ones that released like the KCS and then all the private owned cars, and as well as a new run of the Alaska cars, covered hoppers. So this is really cool. This is actually one of my favorite kinds of covered hoppers. I see these a lot, and they're really cool, and really glad I picked this one up. So it's for a pretty cheap price as well. Yeah, I got it for $22.99. And yeah, by the way, all of these cars I ordered are all from Hiawatha Hobbies, which is a hobby store located in Wisconsin. So I ordered these online, and then they arrived on time. So yeah, so let's put the BN hopper aside. So the last 2 I have are the same. Is the Santa Fe covered hopper? It's the 4427 covered hopper. So I got 2 of them, both of them in the Santa Fe scheme with the letters. It's pretty nice. Very nice. So there's one right here, and my other one is right here. Very nicely done. So yeah, so that's basically all the new rolling stock I have to the layout. So another thing I also got besides that is this right here. I also got these Atlas rail joiners. They're perfect for, like, from up at the Bachman track, and I use them a lot. And they're pretty good. So you're going to need the rail joiners every time you feel like you need to replace the old ones, and you put new ones here, so you can add some more track power to your layout. So yeah. So without further ado, I'm going to be unboxing all 6 of the hoppers and see how they look out the box. Alright, so now that I got all 6 of the hoppers now unboxed, so let's do a quick overview. So here's what the BNSF cars look like. Looks very nice, and I'll show you the top detail with the hatches on top, and these walkways areas are not see-through. So here's some of the molded detail with the ladders and the brake wheel. Max coupler, pretty cool. And there's the wheels, look really nice. Underbody detail looks very nice, crisp. Now I'll show you the other side. There it is. Looks very nice. in the back. So, although it's not, even though it has some detail, it's actually pretty good. And I don't mind it not being see-through. So, moving on. So I'll just get these three out of the way since it's all the same. So here's the Atlas car. Let's move on to the. So this is the Atlas hopper, or I have in the BN scheme. Same thing, no see-through detail, and really, the ribs on them are really nicely done. Paint job's really nice because here I'll show you. There's the BN logo, and then some of the information like builder's plate. Throw car. Truck detail-wise is very nice. Not the details even on the bay areas, and you know, everything. And so here's one side, and you see it's got the AccuRail mate couplers, which these couplers aren't so bad. I actually don't mind them, so I'll show you the other side. There's the brake wheel detail, the steps and all that. Very nice. So definitely a really nice car, even though for a budget-friendly price. So now we're gonna move on to the Santa Fe's. So Santa Fe's last. So these cars are actually pretty good because I think these are see-through. This is really cool. Very nice, and it's got the different colored trucks, which are painted in the brown paint, brownish red or something. Some detail, like builder's plate information. Really. So I think this is. It looks like this is built for Santa Fe in 1980, and the Bay Area detail, the underbody. Absolutely really nice. And coupler is looks like the Protomax couplers, which are pretty nice because I love the metal couplers best of all. So here's one side detail, the ladders and stuff, and steps. And here I'll show you the brake wheel detail. Brake wheel details, as you can see, the brake wheels on the top, and lots of interior detail. Nice. So, yeah, these are actually really nice hoppers. I'm actually really glad I got 6 of them to complete the grain. So, let me give you guys a little bit of one more overview. So the BNSFs right here. Now moving on to the BN and then the ATSF ones. Yeah, so that's basically gonna wrap up the rolling stock update, as well as the new hoppers, and as well as the new rail joiners I got. So yeah, well, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll leave you guys with a little bit of a run by of the grain train in action with these new hoppers. So please enjoy. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.